This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about portion cups, specifically these Pulp Tech portion cups and lids. These 2-ounce portion cups come in white, and there is an optional plastic lid that's available as well that's sold separately. These containers are made of compressed sugar cane, and they're commercially compostable and biodegradable. The optional lids are made of a clear plastic to show off your sauces, dips, and sides, and the plastic these lids are made of is also recyclable, making this little duo a really great eco-friendly option. They are water and grease resistant, and they're perfect for holding things like sauces and dressings. The containers can be used to reheat things as well, since they can be used in the microwave, which is a nice little option. They also feature a rolled rim for increased stability, making them a useful little portion cup for a variety of food establishments for your takeout and delivery needs.